Harbor rescue alarm. 695. Units respond on Fireground 4, Fireground 4. Engine 57, Rescue 1, Squad 26, Park 6, Medic 9, Battalion Chief 1, EMS 6, Battalion Chief EMS, Fire Rescue Boat 1, Fire Rescue Boat 2, SWAT Team Coordinator, Safety Officer 4, SOC 1, SPON 2, 4900 block of I-695, at the Key Bridge. Report of possible vehicle in the water. Harbor Rescue Alarm 695. Units respond. Fireground 4. Engine 57. Rescue 1. SWAT 26. Truck 6. Medic 9. Battalion Chief 1. EMS 6. Battalion Chief EMS. Fire Rescue Boat 1. Fire Rescue Boat 2. Dive Team Coordinator. Safety Officer 4. SOC 1. Response. 4900 block I-695. For possible vehicle into the water at the Key Bridge. 140. Units responded on rescue alarm. I-695 East. Be advised, 13 persons possibly in the water. There was a 13-person construction crew operating on the bridge, possibly in the water at this time. 146.
60 Communications. Are you advising there's 13 people in the water?
Possibly 13 people in the water at this time. The construction crew.
Let's go ahead and special call Baltimore County Marine Unit 269 and Marine Unit 216. Notify Anne Arundel County to also stand by for their boat.
Communications copy. 144.
SOC 5 Communications, if you could, you guys have the MDT, please.
5, I copy. 144.
60 Communications. Also, dispatch the dive unit on this call to alert the dive team and start one more additional transport unit.
Communications copy. 145.
Thank you, Chief 1 Communications.
Battalion Chief 1.
Landline with MTA Police. See if anybody got a location. Better location on the bridge, east side or west side. And on the outbound lane.
Okay, so it states the Coast Guard actually called it in and said that it was just off of Fort Onside Park. I gave exact coordinations to the fire rescue boat. We can try contacting MTA Police.
Alright, one copy.
1246.
Between 6 to 1, it was a CAD area that you were dispatched. I'll let you use your discretion.
Alright, 6-1. We'll keep coming in. We'll come in from the burning highway end, east side.
Okay, you'll be accessing the inner loop of I-695 across the bridge.
Yeah, we come down Burning Highway until it dumps into 695. We'll post up that way, see if we get anything, and you'll be posting from the other end of Fort Mars instead.
6K.
EMS 6, repeat.
We got an exit.
That's a negative EMS 6. We do not have exit at this time. We're trying to get more information.
SOC 5 to Battalion 6.
6, come in.
Yeah, Chief, I want to head over to Fort Armistead and see if I can't get eyes on anything from there.
Okay, copy your Fort Armistead.
Dive coordinator, I'm around.
Dive coordinator en route, 148. Communications with Time Chief 6. Code 19 has been notified.
On board.
Engine 13, 148.
9-1 of communications. Get all the MTA police ASAP. I have MTA police cars heading a different direction than us. We need some information from them.
Communications copies with Time Chief 1. We are trying to contact them right now.
Battalion 6, Engine 13, you're responding with one diver, is that right?
Time Chief 6, that's affirmative. Engine 13 has one diver on board.
Copy.
Engine 57, clear the air. Engine 57, clear the air. I'm on 695, headed towards Burning Highway, here with the police. They're reporting that the middle section of the bridge collapsed into the water, and there are unknown amounts of people and or vehicles in the water. We are committed to 695 in a traffic jam. That's as much information as I have right now. I'll be command.
Battalion Chief 6 to communications.
Go ahead with Time Chief 6.
Alert Baltimore County Engine 57. Have them respond on the inner loop. Dispatch the 2 remaining squad companies. Prepare for backfill of stock units into the city.
Communications copies command 150.
Stock 5, Battalion 6. Probably would be a bad idea. I'd make a recommendation to Coast Guard. They're right around the corner, see if they could be of assistance to us.
Battalion 1 of communications.
Go ahead with Time Chief 1.
You got Foxtrot or MTA State Police en route with a helo?
We are still trying to contact MTA police, and we will contact Foxtrot as well.
All right, as far as MTA police, we can reach out to state police to get contact, see if we can get a state trooper en route.
Message received, 151.
Command, the communications update. We do have several police officers on eastbound 695 that are stopping traffic, so no more vehicles try to enter. We're going to try to get as close to the bridge as possible to get a better look, but I don't want to commit to the bridge if it's unstable. Sox 5 to communications and all units responding, hold the air. Sox 5, Battalion 6, and communications. I'm in Fort Armistead. Be advised, the entire bridge, the entire key bridge is in the harbor. I advise to hold all traffic from committing to the bridge. I advise again, the entire key bridge has fallen into the harbor.
Message received, 152. Units responding to press alarm I-695. Be advised, the entire key bridge has now collapsed into the water. The entire key bridge has now collapsed into the water. Proceed with caution. It's 152. Car 1, 153.
Sox 5 to BC6.
6, come in.
Take your phone.
Six shot, go ahead.
Battalion 1 of Communications. We got a traffic jam east end as well. We're trying to get to the underpass that leads to the underground peninsula under the bridge. Just to get a visual.
Communications, copy, Battalion Chief 1, 153.
SOC 5 Battalion 6. I recommend sending a command post up at Fort Armistead for the Baltimore City units. Parking lot's wide open and give you a good visual. It'll also give us a launching point for additional Marine units if needed.
Okay, I copy that.
Communications,
1 to SOC 5, is that where you want us to respond to?
You're calling SOC 5?
Dive 1, do you want us to come to Fort Armistead?
I let BC6 make the call. I make the recommendation that we have the Baltimore City units report to Fort Armistead. Set the command post up from here. It'll give us two things. It'll give us access to Marine units, and it will also give us a visual of the incident.
Battalion Chief 6 to the city units that are coming in. Let's go ahead and respond to Fort Armistead Park until otherwise advised. Battalion Chief 1, I know you're not close to the bridge yet, but I'm going to probably set you up as the Key Bridge Division.
Battalion 1 to Battalion 6. We're trying to get to the underpass, stuck in traffic. We're trying to get to a gate right now. We'll be on the underpass from the northeast side. I'll give you an update shortly.
Communications, Battalion Chief 6. Foxtrot is down for the night.
6 men.
Foxtrot is down.
Okay. Contact Syscom and get MSP up in the air.
Chief 6 of our Fox launch on route. Message received 156.
Car 1.
Car 1.
Can you have command for SOC 5 just reconfirm the information that a majority or all of the Key Bridge has collapsed? I just need confirmation on that.
Chief, that was the information that was conveyed by Engine Company 57.
SOC 5 to Car 1. I am at Fort Armistead Park. I do have a visual on it. I have confirmed that the entire Key Bridge has fallen into the harbor. I have also sent a picture to the 6th Battalion for him to start work from there.
Okay, message received. And your command post is going to be at Fort Armistead Park, correct?
That's correct, Chief. Battalion Chief 6 to Communications. I'm arriving at Fort Armistead Park. You can set me up as command.
Units responding on 5695. Battalion Chief 6 on scene, assuming Key Bridge Command, 157.
SOC 5 to BC6. I'm going to call you face to face.
.3-31, corner block East Baltimore Street, on the assault, 158.
1, to Battalion 6. We made it on the underpass. We're at the edge of the ground. We can see 1, 2, 3 remaining sections of the bridge. From there on out from land, the bridge has collapsed. We're here with Baltimore County Engine 6. Recommend all units of the apparatus make sure they keep a collapse zone from underneath the remaining parts of the bridge.